Hello my YouTube friends, this is Not Mechanic here. A few days ago I replaced the brake hose on a 2006 Dodge Caravan, and I bumped into a problem when I was bleeding the line. I bled the front brakes and I bled the rear passenger side with no problem, but when it came to the one I replaced, I was having difficulties. We tried everything. I checked the master cylinder, I checked to see if I have any leak anywhere, and there was no sign of no problem. But I remember what a mechanic told me a long time ago. He said many times when you replace a hose like this, you have to make sure that the screws that are in each corner, these ones are broken. They broke when I was replacing them, but this is how they look. You have to screw them in all the way in. I thought they were nice and tight, but they wasn't, because we kept trying to bleed it and there was no leak and I didn't hear no air, so I didn't get I thought it was not there. But like I said, his voice came to my head, and what I did was I screwed it all the way in. I made sure that it goes all the way in without stripping it, and guess what? As soon as I did that, the brakes bled quickly. The car stops now. But if you're having that problem, just make sure that when you replace these holes that you screw them all the way in. Sometimes you're not going to get a sign of any leak or anything in there. Like this one, it had no sign of leak, but that's what it was. So I hope this tip helped you out. So once again, this is Not Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Not Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.